Get out of there. There you go. That's what you do. Strike it. Yep. Get tired. What I'm doing now is I'm just trying to get him tired. Granted, he's getting agitated. But all I need to really do is get him down like this. You can see. Alright? You get him down like this. And all you need to do is pin his head down. Once you get his head pinned down, then it's no problem to zoom in and to roll the stick, alright, to get his head pinned down like this, and you ease in like this, and you slide in behind. Then you have him just like that, see? But make sure he doesn't switch his body like that. You'll lose him. So, let me try this again here. A little bit better with the grip on it this time. Well, he should be getting tired, you think, huh? Yeah, he's looking at me. Yep. There you go. That was a big old squirt of venom there now. Now, you see I kind of got him pinned down, right? Huh. See? He's got a mouthful of gravel, but he's okay. Yeah, see? So, now we're going to let him go out in the wash. He's kind of docile now.